Alright, so this praying mantis is over here where this little curry plant is. So I'm gonna get me a little sprig. Let me find him again. Oh, he's crawling over there. There he goes. He's down there. Let me go get him. Try to get him in the cup here. Look at that. We got him. Praying mantis. A small one, but we got one. So the battle of the bugs has begun. I have me a praying mantis there in the jar, if you can see him. He's right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put him, I'm thinking, on this big plant over here in the middle. Yeah. Let's find a place to put a praying mantis. I got him on this little sprig here. I'm just gonna put him up here. Oh, look, there he goes. Look at him take off. Where'd he go now? He took off. Let me find him, guys. Look, there he is. Taking in his new little home. Yeah, he's gonna have plenty of food to eat out here. The majestic praying mantis is still there. He made it all the way to the very top. Look at that.